Welcome to ACtechtalk. I'm Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to check the resistance on our CVA model inverter. Here we have our inverter unit. First you want to turn the power off and wait at least 5 minutes. Locate your compressor wires. We have the black, the red, and the yellow. Disconnect those wires. Place your meter on ohms mode. Take 2 wires, slide your test leads in, and we're looking at a resistance number 1.1. Leave one test lead in place and move to your other wire. We're looking for that same reading, 1.1. Now test your last wire. As you can see, we also have 1.1 there. With these readings, our compressor winding is good.